You did a great job on the project.
You did a great job on the project.
The view from here is great today.
The view from here is great today.
I like the color green very much.
I like the color green very much.
She wore a green dress to school.
She wore a green dress to school.
The sky looks gray before the rain.
The sky looks gray before the rain.
She bought a gray coat for winter.
She bought a gray coat for winter.
Our group finished the task on time.
Our group finished the task on time.
She joined a study group after school.
She joined a study group after school.
Plants grow well with water and sunlight.
Plants grow well with water and sunlight.
Children grow fast during the summer.
Children grow fast during the summer.
Can you guess the secret word?
Can you guess the secret word?
My guess was wrong on that question.
My guess was wrong on that question.
He plays the guitar in a band.
He plays the guitar in a band.
I want a new guitar for my birthday.
I want a new guitar for my birthday.
I go to the gym after work.
I go to the gym after work.
Our school has a big gym.
Our school has a big gym.
Her hair is long and straight.
Her hair is long and straight.
He brushed his hair before school.
He brushed his hair before school.
I ate half the cake after dinner.
I ate half the cake after dinner.
We have half an hour before class.
We have half an hour before class.
Please raise your hand if you know.
Please raise your hand if you know.
He hurt his hand while playing basketball.
He hurt his hand while playing basketball.
What will happen if we are late?
What will happen if we are late?
Accidents can happen on rainy days.
Accidents can happen on rainy days.
I feel happy when I see you.
I feel happy when I see you.
Her mother is very happy today.
Her mother is very happy today.
This problem is hard for me.
This problem is hard for me.
He works hard to help his family.
He works hard to help his family.
I bought a new hat yesterday.
I bought a new hat yesterday.
Please wear a hat in the sun.
Please wear a hat in the sun.
I hate waking up very early.
I hate waking up very early.
She says they hate loud music.
She says they hate loud music.
I have 2 sisters and 1 brother.
I have 2 sisters and 1 brother.
Do you have any questions for me?
Do you have any questions for me?
I have to finish my homework tonight.
I have to finish my homework tonight.
You have to wear shoes in the gym.
You have to wear shoes in the gym.
He is my brother, and he lives in London.
He is my brother, and he lives in London.
He works at a school near my house.
He works at a school near my house.
My head hurts today, so I need to rest.
My head hurts today, so I need to rest.
She has a hat on her head.
She has a hat on her head.
Good food is important for your health.
Good food is important for your health.
My grandmother is in good health for her age.
My grandmother is in good health for her age.
Eating fruit and vegetables is very healthy.
Eating fruit and vegetables is very healthy.
She wants to be healthy, so she walks every day.
She wants to be healthy, so she walks every day.
I can hear music from the next room.
I can hear music from the next room.
Can you hear the birds singing outside?
Can you hear the birds singing outside?
Hello, my name is Anna and I am from Spain.
Hello, my name is Anna and I am from Spain.
She said hello to her teacher this morning.
She said hello to her teacher this morning.
Can you help me with my homework, please?
Can you help me with my homework, please?
She needs help to carry the heavy bags.
She needs help to carry the heavy bags.
I gave her a beautiful flower for her birthday.
I gave her a beautiful flower for her birthday.
Her cat is black and very small.
Her cat is black and very small.
Please come here and sit next to me.
Please come here and sit next to me.
The bus stop is here on the street.
The bus stop is here on this street.
Hey, do you want to play with us?
Hey, do you want to play with us?
Hey, wait for me, please.
Hey, wait for me, please.
Hi, nice to meet you.
Hi, nice to meet you.
She said hi to me at the shop.
She said hi to me at the shop.
The mountain is very high and beautiful.
The mountain is very high and beautiful.
The bird is flying high in the sky.
The bird is flying high in the sky.
I saw him at the park yesterday.
I saw him at the park yesterday.
Please give this letter to him.
Please give this letter to him.
His name is Tom, and he is from Canada.
His name is Tom, and he is from Canada.
He loves his dog very much.
He loves his dog very much.
I like to learn about history at school.
I like to learn about history at school.
The history of this city is very interesting.
The history of this city is very interesting.
My hobby is reading books about animals.
My hobby is reading books about animals.
Playing the guitar is his favorite hobby.
Playing the guitar is his favorite hobby.
We go to the beach on holiday every summer.
We go to the beach on holiday every summer.
I am very happy because the holiday starts tomorrow.
I am very happy because the holiday starts tomorrow.
I want to go home after school.
I want to go home after school.
My home is near the park.
My home is near the park.
I do my homework after dinner every day.
I do my homework after dinner every day.
The teacher gave us a lot of homework.
The teacher gave us a lot of homework.
I hope you have a nice day.
I hope you have a nice day.
We hope to see you again soon.
We hope to see you again soon.
The horse is running in the field.
The horse is running in the field.
She wants to ride a horse one day.
She wants to ride a horse one day.
My aunt works as a nurse at the hospital.
My aunt works as a nurse at the hospital.
He went to the hospital because he was sick.
He went to the hospital because he was sick.
The weather is very hot in summer.
The weather is very hot in summer.
Be careful, the soup is very hot.
Be careful, the soup is very hot.
We stayed at a nice hotel near the beach.
We stayed at a nice hotel near the beach.
The hotel has a big swimming pool.
The hotel has a big swimming pool.
The film is 2 hours long.
The film is 2 hours long.
I study English for 1 hour every day.
I study English for 1 hour every day.
My house has 3 bedrooms and a garden.
My house has 3 bedrooms and a garden.
They live in a big house near the school.
They live in a big house near the school.
How are you feeling today?
How are you feeling today?
I do not know how to cook this food.
I do not know how to cook this food.
I like coffee, however, I drink tea more often.
I like coffee, however, I drink tea more often.
The test was hard, however, I did well.
The test was hard, however, I did well.
There are 100 students in our school.
There are 100 students in our school.
She has more than 100 books at home.
She has more than 100 books at home.
I am very hungry because I did not eat lunch.
I am very hungry because I did not eat lunch.
The children are hungry after playing all day.
The children are hungry after playing all day.
Her husband works in a big office.
Her husband works in a big office.
My husband and I like to travel together.
My husband and I like to travel together.
Can I have some ice in my water, please?
Can I have some ice in my water, please?
The ice on the lake is very thin.
The ice on the lake is very thin.
Thanks for listening. Please like and subscribe if you learned something. See you next time.